I got into cars by my grandpa and my brother because they both work on cars, and my brother works on jets as well, so I was always around it. If it's like a car like this, the plan is to just either keep it as a daily driver for as long as I can, or sell it for more money. The hardest part about working on cars for me is affording the parts and finding the right parts to put into this, because this is not an easy car to find parts for. I'd like to open a garage when I'm older, and be a lot of mechanics out there try to swindle people into getting more money, and it just happened to my friend with a transmission with his car, and I want to be really honest, charge people honest prices, and do good work.